Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to farm Aketine in Arknights. So let's get started. Now, Aketine is a key plant resource you'll need to break constructible rocks, or actually plants. Now, you want to open block pathways and reach hidden chests and puzzles around the map. So knowing how to get it efficiently is super important. Early on, your best source is wild harvesting in Valley Pass along the abandoned trail. Now, if you follow the eastern lower path and head north, you'll find Akatine bushes you can pick up. You'll only get a few at a time, usually around 5, but then they need time to respawn. This is fine for your first few explosives, but not enough for long term farming. For real farming, you want to unlock planting tech through your AIC factory progression. After advancing the story and unlocking basic AIC 3, you can build two key machines, the seed picking unit and the planter. Now, once placed, you connect them with conveyor belts to create a loop. Once Actine plants turns into two seeds, those seeds grow back into plants, and the cycle repeats, giving you an effectively infinite supply over time. Now, this is the best method once you are mid-game. Later on, you can also use the Eco Farm in areas like Oregonium Science Park to grow Acatine passively on dedicated plots while you do other things in the game. So, in short, harvest wild Acatine early, unlock automation as soon as you can, and set up a planting loop for unlimited resources. Your best bet is here in the Valley Pass. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.